How did medieval alchemy shape modern chemistry? Have you ever wondered how the mystical world of medieval alchemy influenced the science we know today? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating journey from ancient practices to modern chemistry. Medieval alchemy began to take shape in Europe around the 12th century. This was largely due to the translation of Arabic texts into Latin. These texts were rich with knowledge from Greek, Egyptian, and Arabic scholars. They introduced important concepts like the mercury-sulfur theory of metals. Alchemists believed that substances could be transformed into others, such as turning lead into gold. While this idea was not scientifically accurate, it sparked curiosity and experimentation with materials. Prominent figures like Albertus Magnus and Roger Bacon played key roles in this transformation. They blended Aristotelian philosophy with hands-on laboratory work. Their efforts were not just theoretical. They aimed to improve metals and create medicinal compounds. This practical approach led to the development of early techniques like distillation and crystallization, which are still used in chemistry today. Alchemy also contributed to the language of chemistry. Terms such as elixir, alcohol, and athanor, which refers to a type of furnace, originated from this period. The support from religious and royal patrons helped alchemy thrive. This backing allowed scholars to pursue their studies and share their findings. As the medieval period progressed into the Renaissance, alchemy began to shift away from its mystical roots. Scholars started to adopt a more rational and experimental mindset. This change was essential for the scientific revolution that followed. The focus moved from the idea of mystical transmutation to understanding the composition of substances and their reactions. This evolution laid the groundwork for modern chemistry in the 17th century. It marked a significant shift towards systematic methods of inquiry. The scientific method emerged, leading to the identification of chemical elements and compounds. In summary, medieval alchemy shaped modern chemistry by introducing experimental methods and laboratory techniques. It expanded our knowledge of chemical substances and their transformations. The vocabulary we use today in chemistry owes much to this era. Alchemy encouraged a blend of observation, theory, and practical application, bridging ancient philosophies with the scientific approaches that followed. So, the next time you think about chemistry, remember the rich history of medieval alchemy that helped pave the way for the science we relying on today.